Welcome back to the sidelines, guys. Welcome back to the Chelsea versus Man City preview. Last year, we pulled the triple over them. They're in the Champions League, getting into the FA Cup final, and I don't think we can argue if there's any other winner than Chelsea over here. What do you all think?
Pep Guardiola has a point to prove. He is going to prove that point. Y'all are not getting
For
away
sure.
with this. Y'all are not getting away with this with a win. I will bet on it.
Okay, we shall bet on it.
Arman, Kevin De Bruyne is back.
Okay, he was back.
My man KDB.
Hmm.
He's just going to fucking fuck Chelsea's full defense. Yeah, and this will be the first time you guys will concede.
And we consider one
Right.
goal as a penalty.
Yeah, like
That was the shitty penalty that Anthony fucking Taylor got us. But yeah.
don't start that. I mean, you guys will concede from open play this time.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's City, yeah. Come on, yeah. They have KDB back. He was injured for a while. Everyone's just discarding him. Or KDB is not who he is. KDB is the best player in the Premier
And
League.
then miss KDB.
KDB is the best player in the
Missed
Premier League.
him.
Maybe Ronaldo's here right now, so. But
Yeah.
KDB is the best player in the Premier League.
I hate United fans.
Dude, he's Ronaldo. What the fuck are you saying?
Ronaldo.
Your man is sitting like king over here because the confidence is raging through me. As a Chelsea fan, I don't think there's any doubt in my blood that we are going to lose.
End
In
of
my
the season,
mind.
I want to show him this clip.
End of the season, in the next game, I will show you this clip where my prediction is going to come right. I said 3-0 for the Tottenham game. People call me
That was bang
ambitious.
on, that was bang on.
People call me ambitious, but we are Chelsea.
You
And
also said Havertz hat trick.
every game, 20 rupees on Havertz hat trick. I will become a millionaire one day.
Havertz hat trick. Never score hat trick.
And he has his
Yeah, I know the first.
I don't know, I
Carabao?
think so.
Carabao.
Some
Barnsley.
Barnsley or some shit
Barnsley
like
or
that.
something.
whatever it is, it's a hat trick.
Fuck all club. No?
But
Let me just talk about sideline. Just talk about my guy Marcus Rashford came on 20-minute hat trick against Leipzig in the Champions League.
okay.
This
good.
is Chelsea City.
In the Champions League?
In the Champions
Who
League.
won it last season?
That was a nice one.
See, that's all that matters. We are Chelsea, we are the champions of Europe, and we are beating Man City again for the 4th time. Pep Guardiola is
Guardiola. He's not going to make the same mistake twice. He's starting a DM.
Twice? Thrice?
He's starting a DM, if not 2.
Maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5. I think by this time he'll be confused of maybe he should start like the whole team as only DMs. After
As much as I rate,
the PTSD he might be having.
as much as I rate Tuchel, it's not happening.
The Tuchel masterclass is incoming. I think this game, Reece James again is gonna have
Will he start?
100%.
He will, yes.
He has destroyed Mendy. It destroyed him. But I think Reece James has to start this. Kante is back fit. Lukaku is on top form. Destroyed Spurs, and we're going to destroy Villa.
But this is the scariest team Chelsea has built.
Easily.
In like
I think-
last 10 years, this is the best team Chelsea has.
I think this is not last 10 years.
I think last 10
years.
years.
I think when we had Hazard, Diego Costa,
Yeah,
Fabregas. So yeah, Chelsea City. I think it's going to be not an easy win for us, but I think they're taking it home.
What's your score prediction?
We are going to score the goals, and we're not going to be scored against. Another clean sheet is coming.
Oh my
One
god.
more clean sheet.
2-0.
Seriously, bro.
2-0.
Seriously?
Lukaku and Marcus Alonso.
That's too bold.
He
That's
said
too bold.
another clean sheet.
Another clean sheet.
It's too bold.
Another clean sheet.
Bro, Rudiger has become now the Black Maldini.
No, Rudiger is Rudiger. He is the best centre back in the Premier League at the moment.
Oh, fuck off, bro.
The best centre back in the Premier League. Okay, tell me who's better than him.
Van
Van
Dijk.
Dijk.
Bro, Van Dijk was not there last season. In terms of form.
Wait. We are
Rudiger-
talking about the best centre back right now. It's Virgil van Dijk.
No.
It's Van Dijk.
You can say that in terms of history, but in form, Rudiger is the best centre back at the moment. He has won the Champions League and he has kept.
Oh my god. this
Dude,
guy
You
is
will not
so
stop hearing about
Do you
this.
remember under Lampard, Arman was saying, I want that
Rudiger
fucker
out,
out.
he should,
I
he
want that
should.
fucker out right now. He's the worst centre back in the
You have to
Premier
understand, Lampard was very good at bringing players in and playing his kind of football. He did not build a team around the players. He built the team around his tactics, and maybe that just didn't work out for most of the players.
एक देख भाई UCL जीत
Whatever it
गया,
is.
but Rudiger मत बोल.
No, Rudiger ही है, bro.
Rudiger
And that FIFA rating, 75 place.
FIFA
FIFA
knows.
20, fuck them. bro.
FIFA knows.
Fuck them.
FIFA
doesn't know jack shit. Anyway.
Chelsea versus
What do you think? My prediction 2-0. What do you think is going to happen?
3-1 City.
Wow.
Kevin De Bruyne
Impossible.
with a goal or 2 for sure. I hope he starts. If he starts, it's 3-1 to City.
3-1 to City.
Yeah.
I
Where do you think the goals are coming from?
Probably Lukaku for Chelsea. KDB 1. The problem with City is I can't predict who's gonna start with Guardiola playing.
that guy.
He doesn't know who the fuck to
How
play.
can
And that's what fucks him up, bro. That's what exactly
It
fucks
fucks
him
him up,
up.
but it also helps him in a way.
See, Stones is out. Diaz is gonna be there.
Cancel is gonna have a hell of a game.
One FPL tip: don't take Manchester City players. That bald bitch doesn't know what to do.
But yeah, what do you think?
I think it will be 2-1. Chelsea will get the first goal. You will celebrate, and then you will cry because City will score 2 more.
Okay.
Yeah, you'll see KDB fucking score that long shot, bro.
Against
That's
Mendy?
it. And then you'll
Who's
go to
keeping?
sleep.
Who's gonna keep his Kepa?
Mendy,
It's not a
Mendy.
Mendy.
Mendy will be back. He had a
Kepa.
Kepa kept a clean sheet.
Carriers.
Man kept a clean sheet, bro.
Against
Whatever.
Spurs.
Against Spurs.
Yeah.
And I
fucked up.
highly doubt it. Y'all are going to be able to keep a clean sheet with whoever Aaron Ramsdale or.
Absolutely solid, bro.
Okay, let's see if he keeps a clean sheet.
Kepa.
Again, he's been relegated 3 times
Bro,
with 3 different teams,
And
Fuck
now.
all teams.
and now he's gonna get
Relegated
relegated the 4th
last
time.
Okay, anyway.
So both of them have said City are taking this, and surprising it's coming. One is coming from a United fan, but not so surprising coming from 13th place Arsenal. Anyways, both of them are going to regret this because we are the famous CFC.
Or maybe
and
you regret it.
Not going to happen.
He's going to cry.
Not going to happen. Not going to happen. We are taking this home, but yeah. Anyways, let's see what happens. Okay, thank you guys for watching. That was a preview for Chelsea versus Manchester City, where Chelsea is taking it home.
Boy.